Hello. In this video, you will learn how to find courses that offer low-cost, no-cost textbooks. From the Mount Hood Community College homepage, find the link called Registration and Financial Aid. From there, find the Schedule of Classes link. This will take you to the course search page. At the bottom of the page, click on the link for course search. From here, we can search for numerous things, but find the textbook price search window near the middle of the page. From the drop-down menu, you may choose to find no-cost options, low-cost options, or both options. Choose what you want, then click on Search from the bottom of the page. Listed here are all of the courses that meet your search criteria. At this time, if you want to add a course, you will need to sign in to My.MHCC at the top right corner of the course search page.